Since they can't get in and we can't get out, everybody here is gonna die. We'll slowly starve to death.
Stay strong, okay? Happy thoughts. Gotta keep living as a devil hunter to put your brother through school, don't you?
I'm not doing it because I want to. My older brother's the gifted one, so his education is all that matters to my parents, which is why they made me get a job. It was either become a devil hunter or a sex worker. I wanted to go to college, but I'm just going to my grave. Her face is so priceless.
Stop laughing! This isn't funny!
Kobeni, sweetheart. Fear is a devil's favorite food. Be brave, or you'll be their dinner.
I can't help it.
Something eating you too, Aki? Kobeni freaks to the point.